Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be switching out the LCD panel on my Lenovo X220. Uh, the current one I have is a TN panel, which also broke, which is the reason I'm switching it out for a new IPS panel, which has better colors, as well as better viewing angles. So first off, you want to start by removing the battery and making sure that it's not plugged in, obviously. So I'm just going to take that out and set it back down. The first step is going to be to remove the bezel. So for that, you're going to see two small little boxes on the bottom left and bottom right of the bezel. And so you just want to take those off. And they're going to reveal two screws. Okay, set those down. Now to remove the screws. And so now the bezel is free to come off. Now you're going to want to remove the four screws that are actually keeping the LCD in place. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 going along the edge of the casing. Now before removing it, turn it around or close the laptop and turn it back around and gently open it so that the screen is on the bottom. Now the ribbon cable is held in place by some tape here, so you're gonna want to remove the tape. The connector over here is held in place by some tape, so you're gonna want to use something thin to take the tape off very carefully. The connector wire is very fragile. So once the tape is off, you can just pull out the ribbon and it should come out just like that. And that will be your screen taken off. Now for your new screen, you can take off the protective cover on that first. Now you want to put your new screen down. the connector back in. Just like so. And again, tape up as well as you can. Then you're gonna wanna close your laptop once again. And flip it around. And the 4 screws from before. I recommend putting in the corner screws first on each side to make sure it's in place. Okay, and once you've installed the 4 screws again, you probably want to test it first like I'm doing right now just to make sure the screen works and check for dead pixels and stuff like that. And then all you have to do is reinstall the bezel with the 2 side screws that we uninstalled first, and you're done. Thank you for watching.